In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send bulk emails from Brevo. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know how to create an email campaign, choose who receives it, design the message using a template, and schedule it to send. Start by logging into your Brevo account and heading to the marketing section in the left side menu. From there, go into Campaigns, then select Email. This is the area where Brevo organizes your email marketing campaigns, so it is the right place to create and manage bulk sends. Next, click Create Campaign. When Brevo asks what type of campaign you want to create, choose Email. You will then be prompted to enter a campaign name. Pick a clear descriptive name that helps you recognize the purpose later, especially if you run multiple campaigns over time. After naming it, click Create Campaign to move forward. Now it is time to choose your audience. Click Add Recipients, then select your list. Your list should contain the contacts you want to email, so it is a good idea to confirm ahead of time that the list is the correct one and that it is up to date. Once you have selected the list, click Save. This locks in your recipient selection for this campaign. With recipients added, you can build the actual email. Click Design Email, and then select a template. Templates help you move faster and keep your emails consistent, especially for branding and layout. Choose the template that best matches your message, and then review it to make sure it fits your goal before moving on. When you are done working in the editor for now, click Save and Quit. This saves your progress and returns you to the campaign flow, which is helpful if you want to double-check details before sending. Finally, click Schedule. This is where you set up when the bulk email will go out. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct, since scheduling is the final step in this process. That covers everything you need to know.